We think our success and the success of our customers is going to be defined by the quality of the software we build. We're building a full suite of software for behavioral health treatment facilities. From the first day we've started the company, we've built the entire platform around the specific needs of behavioral health providers. It's an incredibly regulated space for good reason, but when something's really regulated, it means there's a lot of time spent doing things that aren't directly related to treating clients. And so our mission is to deliver that time back to the people really doing the work kind of on the front lines as service providers by baking in a lot of that regulatory requirements and logic into the platform itself.
Ritten solves a bunch of unique problems. So we're building reporting capabilities for the folks that are running the clinic. We're building something for the intake staff and the admission staff, building stuff for therapists to make the note-taking process easier, and building stuff for billing staff.
We can work with case managers who are just helping people through their treatment journey. We can work with outpatient providers and book their appointments and bill their appointments. Or we have features built specifically for higher levels of care, for detox facilities, for residential facilities that have a lot more requirements around medication management and administration. One of the things that we focused on early on was the ability to provide a system that can scale up and scale down depending on the complexity of the practice.
We're building modern software. It feels new. It feels more intuitive. A lot of the software in the space is very old, very dated.
Most record-keeping systems, it's a little bit of a treasure hunt, and you have to find the place in the record where that specific information goes.
There's so many different paths you could take. We're trying as much as possible to make sure that there's one streamlined main path.
With our system, it's built around the workflows, and all of those different information requirements are brought into one place.
We get feedback a lot, advisors that walk through the software and they're like, wow, this is so much easier.
Our motto is also to put configuration in the hands of the user.
The software that they use today can be configured, but it's typically a process that they have to go back to the company, wait several months just to get something small changed. For them to see that we could do it within minutes or even seconds is kind of remarkable to them.
We knew there were no shortage of options that were out there, but we felt that the real gap in the field can only be filled by a product that's incredibly highly engineered. We are not a practice management company. We're an engineering company that builds practice management software.